A short video for people who don't understand but would like to understand how Lunavio works. Ladies and gentlemen, Lunavio is software. It's software that we connect. Here you can see Add Account API. You can also see this in another language if you don't understand English. You can connect Lunavio to a cryptocurrency exchange. This is a cryptocurrency exchange, and we deal with trading, right? So if you're a trader, if you've ever bought or sold cryptocurrencies or other assets and did it as a day trader, that is, you bought today and also sold today, opening longs and shorts. You made money on the difference, right? The difference between opening and closing. For example, here the difference between opening and closing was 0.8%, and we took the profit. Before I had to do this manually. Now I use Lunavio for this. So take a look here. I navigate over to my settings and add the specific currencies I want to track. Cryptocurrencies that I want to track. And for each of these cryptocurrencies, I set some parameters. I can set the same ones for all of them. I can even do this automatically. Yes, there's a tool here that helps me do this quickly. Or I do it manually, meaning I enter the parameters myself by hand. For example, here I have set parameters so that if the price of a given asset, like Bitcoin or, for instance, Polygon, moves at least 0.9% outside the Bollinger Band, specifically outside the lower edge of the Bollinger Band. Here it went outside. Happened right here. It moves out by that value. Then a long position should be open for me. It's not just about moving outside the Bollinger Band. The RSI must be under 15 for long positions. Here, the RSI, see the indicator? It's below 15 here. Below this green line, this line right here. That's when it opened automatically for me. I wasn't there. I was somewhere on the beach, and the Lunavio system, right? The Lunavio platform and its software were tracking 20 different cryptocurrencies and checking every second to see if anywhere on any cryptocurrency the chart went outside the Bollinger Bands, either below or above, and whether the RSI was either below 15 or above 75. That's when you open a short position. And that's exactly what happened. I didn't even really have to look at it myself, right? Here, the system detected that such a situation occurred, the conditions were met, and it opened a long position for me here, right? Open long position, and then it lasted maybe about 2 hours. The system saw that I was up by 0.8%. And why exactly that much? Because that's what I entered here, that it should be 0.8% in profit, and then it automatically closed for me. But if the price, look here, I entered this long, but if at that moment the price had kept dropping, kept going down, right, I would have been at a slight loss. It would have dropped by, for example, 5%, because that's what I'll show you. It would have dropped by 5%. Here's 5%. Why 5? Because that's just what I entered here. I could have entered 1, 2, 10, 20, whatever, but it would have dropped by 5%. So to this position, we would add this long, we would add more funds, and we would also wait until from the average entry price of this position and this one until it's, again, for example, 0.8% or 1 or 2 or 5% profit. If that profit, if the system sees that we're in the green, it closes that position. And also, the next question, for what amount does it open? Or how much will I earn? Well, it opens for whatever amount you want. I'm running tests, so I'm opening with small amounts, like 3 to 1,500. But here you can do 10, 20, or 50,000 for any amount you want. In the same way, the profits can be small, large, or medium. Everything depends on us. It depends on how much money we have, how much we want to risk. And that's Lunavio. With Lunavio, ladies and gentlemen, you don't deposit any funds here. This isn't some program, some institution, or I don't know what to call it, some deposit, some investment system where you put in money. Here, you don't deposit anything. It's just software. This platform doesn't have access to your funds. This platform analyzes charts and does what you want it to do. So if you say that you want the system to open shorts on Bitcoin when the RSI is above 60 and the stochastic RSI is above 90, if the lines cross, if we go outside the Bollinger Band by, say, 2%, then it will do that for you. If you give it different values, it'll do that for you too. If you enter a value saying you want 2% profit, it'll take 2% for you. If you enter that you want 10, then when 10% profit is reached, the system will close it for you at that 10%. What do you see here? When you register, log into Lunavio and go to the Results tab. You can see what the results were each day. For example, yesterday we made $400, right? There were 57 transactions, there were 65 transactions, and out of those 65 transactions, as many as 57 ended up in profit. A few were losses, Today, the results were something like $1,450 in profit. There were 75 at this moment closed trades, 73 transactions, and 68 of them, which is 93%, were profitable. You can also see different traders, different people, users, right? Who've Lunavio turned on, just like I do. I'm here somewhere too. Today, I didn't make much, but I earned a bit. I made $11, and I have a second account there too. That's it. That's my nickname. My log, well, not my login, but kind of my alias, something like that, right? I made 5 trades. All of them ended in profit. 100% of the transactions were profitable. Here, one user had 11, of which 77%, 78 were profitable. There are 2 losses and 9 profitable. Same here. 100% win rate, 100%, 100%. 4 trades, 2 transactions. 2 transactions. We can see everything here. Here, it's simply an automated system that does what we want, and each user can have this bot, this platform, configured differently. And everyone will also have different results, but for now, of course, you can also run backtests here. Here, you go to the backtest tab and check what would have happened if you had traded with a given strategy of your choice over, for example, the last 6 months or 3 months. You'll see everything as clear as day. Just remember that, let's go to tuck.pl. That is tuck.pl. Tuck.pl. Yeah, let's go in here. My internet connection's a bit weak right now, so it's loading slowly for me, but all the videos are there. Tuck.pl. Oh, here you have a preview of what it looks like. See, this platform on a phone, but I recommend you use it on a computer, not on your phone. On your phone, maybe later. And here are the links to everything. You need to open an account on Lunavio, here, on the BitUnix cryptocurrency exchange. If you're outside the European Union, this video is actually intended only for people outside the European Union. For Europeans here, we don't have, not we, but I'm not speaking to Europeans here. I'm not recording this video for Europeans. And I also want to remind you that investing is very risky. When you invest money in any form, you can lose your entire capital. This video is not investment advice. The results I showed here from the past, right? From today, from yesterday, from the last 7 days, don't guarantee that in the future they will be the same, right? So in the future, you might, in the past, for example, I was making money. You can see that we were making money, but in the future, we could lose it. That's how it is everywhere. That's normal. This video is also an advertisement, let's call it that, and self-promotion, guys. And that's all. I think that's everything. Did it work? It worked, yes. Tuck.pl. That's tuk.pl. And here you register, you sign up here if you want to, of course, right? Here are the instructions on how to connect Lunavio with the exchange. How the Bollinger Band strategy works in general if you were to trade it manually. There's a video here showing you how to do it, and we also invite you to join the Telegram group. Once you register on Lunavio, you'll then be able to go to Telegram and chat there with other users, with people who use Lunavio every day. That'll be here in My Communities. After registering, after logging in, go to My Communities, and then you'll get the link to Telegram there. That's all. Stay healthy. Take care. Bye.